Most people are not destroyed by failure. They're destroyed by fear. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of rejection. Fear of starting over. Fear of becoming something greater than the people around them can understand. So they bury their dreams alive. And years later, they wake up, haunted by the life they almost lived, the business they never started, the person they never became, the calling they kept ignoring because comfort felt safer than purpose. But safety can become a prison. And one day you realize the most dangerous thing in life was never falling. It was never jumping at all. You were created for more than survival, more than routines that slowly kill your spirit, more than living trapped inside your own mind. Fear not the struggle. Fear becoming a man or woman who dies with greatness still locked inside them. Because the darkest pain in this world is meeting the person you could have been and realizing you never had the courage to become them.